Adolescents and internet addiction. Adolescents or teenagers, an age group, possess unique mentality, curiosity and interests. It's no secret that teenagers are really fond of video games and internet. The expansion of technology makes it much easier for teens to get access to internet and its services easily. And this could be a matter of concern, as what has started as interest, entertainment, or mean of communication can develop itself into a serious behavioral problem, behavioral addiction. Adolescents' internet addiction is a much more serious issue than just an intense desire to be online. Just like other behavioral addiction, teen internet addiction is a serious case of inability to control, regulate, limit or avoid their compulsive behavior, similar to gambling addiction. But the addictive behavior here we are talking about is spending time online. Although many people believe that teen addiction is a little more than a parenting issue, not a serious addiction. Experts say that teen internet addiction is a serious case of study. According to them, internet addiction is a serious behavior disorder that needs to be addressed and treated accordingly. Causes of internet addiction. Just like other behavioral addiction, the actual cause of teens' internet addiction is yet to be known. But it signifies the similarities with other behavior addiction. As with other behavioral addictions, internet addiction is more prevalent in adolescents who are struggling with depression, anxiety, ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and poor self-esteem. The never-ending nature of a few online games like Warcraft and EverQuest increases the likelihood of internet addiction. These games are considered as MMORPGs, massively multiplayer online role-playing games. Time-by-time addition of new levels, quests or adventures in these types of games entices the user. The user could never reach completion point in these games. They used to keep the thrill alive, so the user always returns for more. Internet addiction is majorly attributed to the rush of playing that induces the release of endorphins, pleasure-causing brain's chemical. This phenomenon is the same for drug or alcohol addicts or even the other behaviors like gambling. This is majorly seen in teens, which are facing problems in real-life situations. The thrill of online gaming, adrenaline rush, power, sense of community entice them for more. Signs and symptoms of internet addiction. The signs and symptoms of internet addiction are similar to other compulsive behavioral addictions. Develop tolerance. With time they feel the need to play more in order to experience the same rush and thrill. Obsessed with the internet so much that their offline time spends in recalling their past experiences and planning for future experiences. Become frustrated, anxious and depressed if abstain from the internet. Abandoning their hobbies, friends or other activities and devote most of their time on the internet. Neglecting negative repercussions, problems in academics, health issues, relationship issues, and continue to spend their time online. Few visible signs of internet addicts. Spending all of his time online. Falling asleep in school. Worsening school grades. Neglecting homework and assignments. Lying about internet use. Poor nutrition, neglecting food in order to be online. Insomnia. Vision problems and dry eyes. Backache, headaches or neck pain. Poor personal hygiene. Avoiding social groups to be online. Become frustrated when abstaining from internet. In simple words, if you are feeling that your child is spending too much time on the internet, and not being able to limit or control the usage even after knowing that it is affecting the major areas in his life, then you can consider your child as internet addict. How to treat internet addiction. Determining the treatment course of a teen who is suffering from internet addiction is basically done by considering various factors like teen's age, the severity and nature of behavior and any other co-occurring disorder. There are many therapy programs to treat internet addiction like CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, equine therapy, recreation therapy, expressive arts therapy, DBT, dialectical behavioral therapy, behavior modification, group, individual and family therapy. Conclusion. Teen internet addiction is a major issue and affects major areas of teens' life. It needs to be addressed and treated properly before the situation gets more severe.